Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Samsung Galaxy A10e mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charger port using a picker and car pry tool. Insert the car pry tool and gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Next, take out the back cover from the body. Next, undo 3 screws and pull out the top bracket. Next, take out the board bracket by undoing 3 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. First, disconnect and pull out the front camera from the board. Next, pull out the not working rear camera from the board. For this, needs to pull out the logic board. First, disconnect 2 antenna heads, LCD plug, main flex and the button flex from the logic board. Next, gently lift the logic board from the board. Next, flip the logic board and pull out the camera module by disconnecting the plug. Next, place and secure the new back camera to the body. Next, place and secure the logic board on the frame. Next, connect the button flex, LCD flex, the main flex and 2 antenna heads to the board. Next, secure the new front camera to the board. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, secure the board bracket by adding 3 screws. Next, secure the top bracket by adding 3 screws. Finally, snap in the back cover and run through the sides to secure the clips. And also add the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.